What is household hazardous waste, and how do you dispose of it? We answer that question coming up. Household hazardous waste is something we all have in our homes. It's stuff we store in our garage, or our basement, or even under the sink, like household cleaners, pesticides, automotive fluids, pool chemicals, and paint. Some electronics are also considered hazardous waste as well. These items need to be disposed of differently because they can cause environmental damage when they're put into the landfill, or can even injure the workers who handle your trash. Chemicals from hazardous waste that you dispose of can interact with chemicals found in your neighbor's waste. Add in the pressure from compaction and the warmth from decaying organic waste, and you get the perfect conditions for combustion and potential injury. So the best way to protect our environment and our community is to identify hazardous waste and dispose of it properly. Here's how to do it. Step 1, read the label of the things you want to throw away. Is it toxic, flammable, corrosive, or explosive? If so, this is something that's hazardous waste. Step 2, check the label for disposal instructions. You can also do some research online for disposal options. And be sure to check the Borden webpage to see what we allow in our curbside disposal, or if there are special community drop-off locations for hazardous waste. We can help you with these items, but it must remain separate from your normal waste container. If you have questions, go to wasteawaygroup.com and contact us. We'll be happy to talk you through the safest options for hazardous waste disposal. My name's Chris. Thanks for watching.